how to turn on or turn off TalkBack vibration feedback on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on TalkBack. Then we go down and tap on settings. Now in here, tap on sound and vibration. At the bottom here, tap on vibration feedback. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on vibration feedback for TalkBack. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.